Hey there, pan fans! So today we're making blueberry muffins.
They're not just any blueberry muffins, they're streusel-topped muffins.
Well, and they're not just any streusel-top muffins. Let me show you this email I got the other day. These are the best muffins ever. We're going to make it in the bronze Anolon muffin tray.
Ooh, and it's beautiful. Look at it, it's so nice. It has this cover tile. I get really excited when we're talking about bakeware. Look at that. The grip, it's not slipping out of your hands, very important.
Usually with muffins or cupcakes, you would do little liners or grease the pan. We're not doing that. Anolon, super non-stick, batter's going in on its own. And we'll see what happens. So last night, to make things easier, I got all of our dry ingredients ready to go. And I put them in LocknLock containers.
Look at that.
Usually we would have to get a bunch of cups out and measuring everything, and that takes time. I did all the measuring, all the dry ingredients, got it together, put it in the LocknLock, and now we just have to assemble with the wet. So this is gonna save a lot of time just having this prepped and done.
Sure. I'm just ready to like mix stuff up.
Oh, okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's bake.
I want to bake.
Start by assembling the dry ingredients. This is a mixture of flour, sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, and salt. And I can't tell you enough how easy life in the kitchen will be if you do all this ahead of time and store it in LocknLock containers, so when it comes time to bake, you can just jump right in. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Don't worry about amounts, everything's going to be written out for you on potsandpans.com. Once you've done that, bring the dry and wet ingredients together, but it's very important not to overwork the batter, after which gently pour in fresh blueberries. It is now time to spoon in the blueberry batter into the Anolon Advanced non-stick 12-cup muffin pan. Note, we are not greasing the pan or using liners. The Anolon Advanced muffin pan is so non-stick, it does not require it. Plus, by not having to use liners, you will see at the end you get a beautiful golden brown all around the muffin. And because it's non-stick, no major scrubbing required. It's super easy. Or skip scrubbing altogether as it is dishwasher safe. That alone would make a very tasty muffin, but we're not done yet. To take it over the top, we're topping our muffins with some delicious walnut streusel, made of flour, brown sugar, chopped walnuts, and ground cinnamon. Again, gathering all your dry ingredients into a LocknLock beforehand will save you so much time, and then all you have to do is add butter. Work the dry ingredients together with butter, using your fingers to form the mixture into crumbs. Once your crumbs are ready, lovingly sprinkle the topping evenly over the batter-filled muffin cups. Pop the whole thing in a 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes, mostly keeping an eye to see that the topping gets nicely brown. After which, resist the urge to dive right in. The muffins need about 5 minutes to cool to fully develop their amazing flavor. No need to mess with a wire rack. They can stay in the muffin pan since the non-stick Anolon will give you no trouble when it comes time to take them out. And there you have it, pan fans. Blueberry muffins with a streusel top.
It smells so good.
It smells incredible. It would be worth it just to do it for the smell.
A
lot of extra streusel, but we'll store the leftovers in our LocknLock. This is going to be good for like a French toast topping, maybe over yogurt. There is butter in this, so
we want to put it back in the fridge.
Yeah, put it in the fridge. So two things. One, are these the best muffins ever? We'll taste and find out. But two, we did not put liners in this, and we did not grease the pan. So let's see if they come out just because of how non-stick the Anolon is. Moment of truth. Came right out.
Whoa.
Came right out.
I'm drinking the streusel.
No liner, no greasing, just on the merits of the non-stick pan. Came out fine.
Look at this beautiful, lovely, even cooking.
Totally passed the non-stick test. Came out super easy, but are these the best ever? Let's see.
Okay. I just got topping. Hold on. Oh, but look at all those blueberries. Oh.
That's pretty good.
This is so good. So good.
This is pretty good.
I'm gonna eat this whole thing and
this is
then
the best
maybe
ever.
4 more.
This is the best ever.
I'm laughing at all this mess I've made.
So what's great now is the Anolon comes with a cover. It's nice and secure.
I'm gonna just leave it in here. It's it's perfect. I'll leave it on the counter and I'll have a muffin whenever I want.
Yeah, take it with you to a party.
Good.
It's very good. This might be the best ever.
It might be the best ever. These are the best Blue Ribbon muffins we have ever made.
I'm sure there's some bakery out there doing better. But as far as homemade goes, as far as for us go, yeah, these are the best ever. All right. This will keep us from taking any more.
This is true.
You can find this Anolon Advanced Home 12-cup muffin pan in bronze with the lid and a whole assortment of LocknLock at potsandpans.com.
See you later, pan fans. We gotta clean up.
Oh my God, it's such a mess.